Hi, if you clicked on this video, I think you're interested in purchasing some magnetic hoops for your embroidery business, and here I am to show you the best magnetic hoops that I've used. These are the bad boys that I'm talking about, and I will put them to a rough test today, and I will show you how durable are they. Magnetic hoop is from magnetichoop.com. I will leave the link for you here on the screen, and you can enter the website and purchase it for your embroidery business, and you can convince yourself. It's a very useful tool that saved me a lot of time and energy when embroidering t-shirts, sweaters, and everything I want to embroider for my business. This is my best friend. The first reason is that it's very easy to attach on the fabric you want to embroider. The second reason is that it's very durable, and when I say it's very durable, I really mean it, and we just made a durability test that can prove everything that I've just said. The third reason that I really love this embroidery hoop is that the shipping was really fast, and we managed to contact the person that is in charge for sending the hoops, and it was a really pleasant experience. The customer service is very good. The person we talked to is very friendly and very helpful, and the shipping was really fast, like it was sent from China to Romania where we live. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you've also enjoyed the footage of us trying to destroy the magnetic hoops, but of course nothing happened because they are made from very durable and tough materials, as I said before, and yeah, it was fun for us to try to destroy them, but yeah, I'm very pleased that nothing happened. I'm curious if you tried the magnetic hoops before and what was your experience using them. I'm really curious about it. Until the next time, have a great day.